everyone, I'm Miss Saren. This is a basic Excel tutoring. Let's learn how to input data this time. This is the very basic regarding input data since analysis and summarization work when data exists. Let's learn how to input text, number, date, and formula. Shall we start? Now open your Excel document. Click C2 cell and input cell's specification. Then enter. Next, click B4 cell and input date. Then your keyboard press arrow right key and move to C4 cell. Input product. Move to D4. Input quantity. Move to input unit price. Move to input total. Then enter. Are all the data you input text? So, when you look into the cell, you input all the cells are aligned on the left. Next, input item name under the product, which means click C5 cell and input Post-it. Then enter. The next, input mouse pad and enter. Then input keyboard, pad, and enter. And then input A4 copy paper. When you need to figure out how many A4 sheets are contained within the cell, input 2 lines on C8 cell. When you just press enter the cursor, it moves C9 cell. You wonder how to create 2 lines? Select C8 cell. On formula bar, locate the cursor at the end, then press Alt and enter at the same time. The next, input 4,000 sheets. Then enter. Wow! When you are done, you can input multi-lines on one cell. Alt and enter are frequently used. Please remember to use. Shall you adjust with on C column? Put the cursor between C column and D column borderline. Double click. Then you will see the width is adjusted automatically. See, is it fabulous? These data are text data, so each cell is aligned on the left. Let's input numbers. At first, input the number of each item. Click D5 cell. And let's assume you sold 200 Post-it and you just input 200. Then enter. The next, input 150. Then enter. 120 and enter. 300 and enter. Shall I input unit price? Click E5 cell. 1 Post-it for $2. 1 mouse pad for $10. 1 keyboard pad for $12. And a box of A4 paper for $35. Look at the input data. You have just done it. Can you tell me outlines of cells? Yes, it's all on the right. As you see, there is a difference about outlines between text data and number data. Next, let's learn how to input date data. Click B5 cell and input 2020 January pips. First, input January. Between month and day, input slash like this. Pips, then again slash. Input 2020, then enter. Imagine you are a seller and you sold your items on the same day. Input January slash pips slash 2020, then enter. This time, let's omit the year. Just input month and day. Do you think this is going to work? January slash pips. Enter. Oh, yes, it does work. When you look at formula bar, you see the year is input automatically. Also, how to today's date? Press, hold, Control key and colon key and enter. Today's date very easily. You will notice date data is aligned on the right, just like number data. Date data is frequently used as well as number data in calculation, such as how many days the employee has had a holiday or annual leave. We use date data. Now, let's run total. Click F5 cell. You meant you sold the first for $2 and you sold 200 of them. How much is the total price? Let's input formula and input equals. When you input formula, you should always input equals. It's because Excel program is aware that input formula and Excel program is prepared to calculate. How many Post-it have you sold? This is quantity data. You just click 200 data. This does not mean you input 200. In other words, you should click D5 that contains 200. Next, you know you should multiply symbol input asterisk. Then you click E5 cell where unit price is located. Then enter. Wow, you see the total price is $400. Like this time, you just input reference address. For example, let's assume you sold 300 Post-it, not 200. Double-click D5 cell and change the number to 300 and enter. Then you see it is changed automatically and you see total price is $600. Then let's input formula equals D6 click, asterisk, E6 click, and enter. Can you see the answer? If sales data 200 cases, do you think you should input 200 formula? That's not that practical. Just click F6 and put the cursor at the edge, and you see small black box at the bottom right corner. This is called fill handle. Put your mouse and then a thin cross point will appear. And all you have to do is just double click. See? Every tutor price appears. This is one of the reasons why Excel is convenient for time saving. Was my lecture useful? Thank you for watching. This is Miss Saren. See you next time. Bye bye.